15 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Madam, it will really be a privilege to know that India would really be the first country in the world to set up such an extensive network of specialized environment courts. I can say this with all the emphasis at my command that no country in the world has the type of framework that we are proposing to put in place through the National Green Tribunal. What will the National Green Tribunal do? It would empower the ordinary citizen of India to ensure that the laws relating to environment and forests are implemented for his or her own benefit. If I remember right, in the earlier government, we had the right to information and the right to employment acts. Subsequently, we had the right to education act. Now, this will be the right to environment act. Of course, we will have the right to food security later. But when the National Green Tribunal becomes a law, it will guarantee to every citizen of India the right to a safe and clean environment. There are several major laws in the country that relate to environment and forests. Two relating to water pollution, one relating to air pollution. The main are the Environment Protection Act, the Forest Conservation Act, the Biological Diversity Act, and so on. What do they do? Any citizen of India, either directly or indirectly, can approach the National Green Tribunal for civil damages. We have defined in the law what is meant by a substantial question of the environment. If anybody is aggrieved, if anybody is adversely affected by the non implementation of laws relating to environment and forests, he or she can approach the National Green Tribunal for civil damages. This is a major historic step forward in our country. Madam, the first historic step that was taken in the field of environment was the Forest Conservation Act of 1980 under the leadership of Srimati Indira Gandhi. Then we had the unfortunate Bhopal gas tragedy of 1984, which led to Parliament enacting the Environment Protection Act. 24 years later, Parliament has enacted a third historic legislation, which is the National Green Tribunal legislation. What is the National Green Tribunal will be? There will be one main bench and there will be four other benches. So, there will be 5 benches of the National Green Tribunal in different parts of the country. They will have up to members. They will have experts relating to it members. They will function in a circuit mode to trust to justice will be easy and convenient for all citizens of the country. The idea is to put pressure on the central government and the state governments to ensure that the laws of the land that relate to environment and forests are implemented in letter and spirit. Stop. Over.